Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by making the recorder powerless. Unplug it and remove any batteries and cassette. Once done, clear a bench and gather a small Phillips, flat driver, a wire brush, 1/2 cup white vinegar, and clean rags so you won't interrupt the process. Open the case methodically and take photos of screw and part locations. This prevents confusion later. Make sure to label screws and springs as you remove them, because the small mechanical parts are easy to mix up and critical for playback. You now tackle the rusted components. Remove plates, screws, and the head assembly when possible and soak small metal parts in white vinegar for 15 to 30 minutes to loosen corrosion. After soaking, scrub with a wire brush and finish with 400-600 grit sandpaper to restore smooth surfaces. This improves contact and tape tracking. Once the rust is gone, neutralize the acid with a water rinse, dry every part thoroughly, and use compressed air to expel moisture from tight spaces before lubrication. You finish by applying a light machine oil to bearings and pivot points. Avoid oil on tape heads. Clean heads with isopropyl alcohol and use a demagnetizer if needed. Reassemble in reverse order using your photos and labels, then power up and run a test tape to confirm smooth transport and clear audio. If you hear grinding, warble, or it won't pull tape, make sure belts are not hardened and recheck any formerly rusted contacts for residual corrosion. That single troubleshooting check usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.